Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel and welcome to another Temu haul. That's right, today I have some makeup and some clothes. So we're going to do a little fashion, I suppose, because even makeup is fashion. And we are going to see several different things today. And if you are new here, I would like to welcome you and ask you to subscribe if you have not. And if you are my returning subscribers, I just want to say a special hello to you and welcome. It's always great to see you. Now today, like I said, I'm going to have some makeup and I do have a code. It's INC 76154. I am an affiliate, but this haul is totally purchased by me. So this is a paid for by Miss Jackie Russell haul. And yes, I'm as addicted to Temu as you guys are, and I'm always going on there and checking out their sales, especially when they send me those specials where you can get 90% off. I don't play much of any of the other games, but I do check that one out often. They have lightning sales, they have free shipping, they have 90-day returns, they have 30-day price match, which I love because on this order, a couple of them, I received like over $2 or $3 returned back to me. They put it as credit, so that's something else. But the first thing that we are going to talk about today is this palette right here. And it is called the Boliche Express Collection, and it is an 18 palette colors, and it does have a mirror and it does have a color saver on it, so I'm going to take that off. It did come with like a little spoolie to put your eyeshadows on, but look at all those colors and they're all pearly. So they're going to be having a little bit of shine to them. And this is a small palette, but it's packed for $2.24, I think it was. And guys, it's getting harder and harder to find the links with Temu. So if there's something that's really, that you really want and you can't find it, let me know and I'll try to help you find a link to get to it. But these are beautiful and I love that palette, and for $2.24, I think it's great. I mean, it could be accent colors. You could have a wonderful look out of that. Just all kinds of things going on with that palette. Now the next item I have, and let me see if I can find it, is another palette, and this one is a little bit bigger. It's got 10 colors in it. It's a color makeup comprehensive palette, eyeshadow, and I believe it's also got some blushes in it. It looks like this. It's like I don't know what that name is on there. Dinkaloo? I'm not real sure, but that's what it's kind of saying. And it runs $4.49, and it says Dinkaloo or something. It has a mirror and it's broke. I will tell you, the case itself broke a little bit, so that's kind of a bummer. But it is a palette and it has like concealer, which you can see right there. It's got a little concealer. You could do some face contouring with it, and then you've got these mild, what I call a nude palette with a glitter there with that creamy white glitter, and then you've got pale blue, brown. It's really a pretty palette. It's just basic though, but if you like nude palettes, you would really, really enjoy this. I think that one shimmer there is going to be really pretty. So yeah, and even though that is broke, it will still close. So it's just cracked here on the edges. But it was $4.49, and I don't know if I can get any kind of return on it because it's past the 30 days. I've had so much stuff here, I haven't been able to get it out. But that is what this is, and that's what it looks like with the mirror. I think it's cute. And I might be able to glue that down a little bit where it'll work and stay closed. So I can work on that one. Okay, my next item is in this bag here, and this is some Starry Sky Mascara, Lengthening, Volumizing, Waterproof. So it looks like this, and this was $1.98. My box is a little beat up, and maybe that's why my palette got broke. I'm not sure. But it is called Starry Night Thick and Long Mascara. And I just recently bought some mascara from another, I guess, source from Temu, and it was really good. Ooh, this is why I bought this. Look at that packaging. Oh, let's forget about that. It's mascara. Who cares? Look at that packaging. I love it. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's why I got this. That's why it's called Starry Night. How cute. Yeah, Starry Sky. It says thick and long. So, okay, in case you're interested in this, for $1.98, let's see what it's got. That is the brush, and not too bad. Of course, I've got mascara on, and I don't know if it'll make it any longer or not. It is waterproof. I'm looking in a mirror, guys. Did it make them go any longer? I don't think so. I think it did make them longer. How about that? Yeah, I think it did. But yeah, anyways, the main reason I got this was packaging, and I think it is going to work out. But isn't that gorgeous? I love the packaging. Yes, yes, yes. Bling, bling, bling. Yay! Okay, now I've got one more item that's not clothes related and or this, and I've already started using it. I've got my Bible in here. Let me tell you about my Jesus. And this is a little Bible carrier. It's got a place where you can put cards. On the inside there's more places for pens, but I'm not going to open it up right now. I'm just going to show you what I got. And guys, I got that on a lightning deal, and it was $3.91. And I can tell you, I had been looking for one, and most of them run around $8 to $10 on Temu. It's a one-piece, black fashion, simple and versatile letter pattern Bible jacket. So I got that for $3.91. And then I have an item in here that I usually don't show too much, but one time hanging out with Kim, talked about their sports bras. So I've ordered another one, and this time I got it in a beige color, and it's a light beige, extra large. It was $3.59, and it looks like this. And it's got, like, I guess you'd say, like breathable air holes in it all the way around, which is probably nice for summer. So that's one reason I got it. I don't know, and it does have little pads in there. I don't know if I'll keep those in there. Sometimes I cut those out, sometimes I don't. It just depends. And you don't have to cut it out. You can just pull it out. If you don't want it in there, you can pull it out. And because I really don't need it, unless, I guess, if you're trying to cover up, a little bit more, maybe I might. But it even has breathable right there in front. So anyways, that was an extra large. I have tried it on, and it does fit, because I know some of you will ask me that. Does it fit? Yes, it does. So the only thing that I didn't like maybe was, like I said, was the pads. A lot of times I just take those out. Now, while I was shopping on there for that, I found a couple of other things. I found this black t-shirt that says Mama Praise, I guess, on it. I don't know for sure if that's all it says. On my message here, it's saying Mama Praise. So, it says This Mama Praise. So it was $2.48, so I had to get it. That was just so inexpensive. It's made out of a heavy kind of polyester, and for $2.58, I mean, why not? And I do pray. So I thought, that suits me just fine and dandy. And you can tell that it's a pretty nice, I don't know if that's knit or polyester. Let me see if I can find what it's made out of. Oh my goodness, it's so tiny, I don't know if I can read it. I can read Made in China on there with no issue. Let's see what it says. It says wash with light colors. What does this say? Okay, it's cotton. It's 65% cotton and 35% polyester. Well, no wonder it feels so good. So yeah, this is of good quality. I like it. So that's nice. For $2.48, I'm certainly not going to complain. Where else could you pick up a brand new t-shirt for $2.48? The next item that I found were some floral print high-waist leggings, elegant, skinny, stretchy. That shirt was in an XL, and then these pants are royal blue, and in an XL2, they were $6.69. And I think I got these on a lightning sale, or it could have been where you could pick out something for 90% off. But I got a good deal, and they are leggings. They're made out of legging fabric, so it looks like jeans, but they're for sure leggings, and they're cute. Look at that. They look like jeans. And they're just going to be leggings. They're going to be like crop pants or crop leggings. And I love that it has all the flowers on it. So those are really cute and going to be very comfy, I'm sure. Now the next item that I found was another pair of, I guess you'd say, comfy casual pants. These are elastic waist, solid color, casual pants, loose sport pants, it says. So they can be kind of dressy too, but they do have, I thought they were going to be gathered at the bottom, but they're not. So they're nice, actually. And I got an XL. They were $8.59. And I'm not sure if those were on sale or not. That seems like a regular price, but you can see it's got a button there. And I think I have an off-white pair of these somewhere. But I thought that would go good with several things that I have, with it being gray. And even that black This Mom Prays would go with it really well. So just a nice pair of casual pants that can be casual or even a little dressy with the way they're made. So, and I'm sure it's polyester. I really don't know that I even have to look at that. 100% polyester. So those were $8.59. And then I have one more thing to show you guys. And on the links, I don't know if I can find links and get them on there. I don't want to write a book trying to get links to you guys. And I know that sounds kind of funny, but they've gotten to where they don't let us pick our links anymore. I don't know why. Used to, I could go in there and find them. But now it's like writing a page. If I copy and paste a link, it's like a page. I mean, it's too much to put in my descriptions. They only allow us so many letters in our description. But anyways, I'll try to help you. My next item is in this, and it is an elegant, solid two-piece set, sleeveless, button front, and it is a V-neck, and I got mine in green, light green. It's an XL. And it's just a plain basic cut, as you can tell. You know, just cut out a little pattern and sew it up the side and put some buttons on it. So it's real simple, and it should be comfy. And then it has a pair of shorts to go with it. And there's no pockets in the shorts. There was pockets in the pants, but no pockets here. But it's a nice little color, and I liked it. So those were the items that I got. That set was $6.24, and you could get them in multiple colors. Same way with those gray pants. You could get them in different colors. I think they had white, black, maybe some navy, and maybe some other ones, but they did have it in different colors. Now, what I'm going to do is go try it on. The things that I have on right now are not from Temu, so if you're wondering, they're not. So, but anyways, I'm going to go try these on, and I'll be right back. Okay, for this first pair, I just left this shirt on, and then I wanted to show you the pants, and they fit. They're very comfortable, and they feel very comfortable, and I really like them. So these were a good buy, and it is going to look like jeans, but they are polyester. They do not feel like jeans at all. But as far as fitting and being comfortable, it's a go. So, what do y'all think? Okay, these are the pants that has the button on the side. Where is it? It's right here. And they fit really good. They feel really comfortable. And I think they fit good all the way around. And of course, this is the black shirt that says This Mama Prays. And I think it fits good too. And it actually looks good with these pants, and would make a nice little casual outfit to wear and go somewhere, like on my Wednesday night Bible classes and things like that. So it'd be very comfortable going to the store, wherever I'm going, or just hanging out at the house. Just very, very cute and comfortable. Oh, It's so comfortable, and the shirt feels so good. I really like it. I'm glad I got it. $2.48. That is a steal. Okay, this is the green outfit, and it feels tight. So I got an XL, but the way it's made, it feels tight, and I don't know if I like it. So this may be a no-go for me, and it's even, in my opinion, tight through here. I mean, it fits, and it's got a little give, but for me, I don't like the way it feels, and they feel really short, too. And maybe because it feels like it's riding up. I guess if I lose a little weight, it might not be so bad. But this here, I don't think so. This will be something that I would give to somebody because I'm not going to send it back. And I've got plenty of grandkids and family members that could wear something like this. So I will probably just give this to one of them because I don't like the way that it feels so tight through here. I like more give through there. And then on the shorts, they just seem really short and like they wanted to ride up. Not for me. It was a good buy, $6. I like the color. I mean, I think the color's pretty. And again, if I was to lose some weight, maybe they'd fit perfect. But to me, this size, it said XL, but really it might be a large instead of XL. So it could be sized wrong. But anyways, I like the color. I'll just say that. And I picked it out because I don't have too many green things. And I thought, well, I should try a little green here and there. But it just didn't work out. So you let me know what was your favorite out of the outfits. They're casual. It's nothing really fancy, just something to wear around the house. And as far as bling bling, I love my mascara. And I really liked that one palette that had the shimmers in it. This one here, I really like this. But you can really do a lot with that. Just very, very pretty colors for spring and summer. So a beautiful little palette. And it is small, but it's one of them small palettes that'll have a mighty punch. It's got 18 colors in it. So pretty good. What does they say? I've got a friend that says pretty good, all right. So guys, that's my haul. You let me know what your favorite things are. I am going to tell you that I really do like my cover for my Bible. This has come in real handy, and my other one was just falling apart, so I had to get a new one. And so I like that. Like I said, I like everything that I got. I really especially like my mascara, my little blingy Starry Sky, and I just love all those colors. So that's my haul. You let me know what you like. Be sure and check my descriptions for the Temu Spring Fling. It's still going on through May 4th. That has 8 channels, 8 giveaways. Also, I'll have a playlist and or a link to it in my description. Also have a couple other giveaways in there, so be sure and check those out as well. But as for today and my Temu haul, and to save 30%, be sure and use my code if you're new, INC76154, and I will have my links in my description. And if I can find any of the links to the things that I bought with my own money, I will put that in my description as well. And like I also said, if you need help finding something that you like, let me know and I'll try to help you with the link. And with that, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.